How we doing, everyone? This is David from MEDIABOXENT, and today we are into the security, how to secure your smart house. So, Menina, give me some technical information about this wonderful camera.
Okay, today we have the 1080p Blurams security camera. As I said, it has 1080p FHD recording. It has optional root, which is 360 coverage scan. It has a smart motion and sound detection, two-way audio. It has night vision. It has an application with which you can control it, and the privacy shooter that I like the most.
Yeah, you can always, from the application it's on, but you can turn it off, so if you feel like Big Brother is watching. Now, Menina, now the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an open box, even though it's open, so you can see what we get inside this box. And then the next section, I show you how to configure this for the first time. So pretty simple. You don't have to even look into the manual. You just watch this video and you know exactly how to do it. It's pretty simple now. So that's what I love about this camera. In only a few minutes, you'll be secure in your house. So, Menina, how we can get a discount in this?
Well, all you have to do is go to a link which is below the video.
All right. It will be all the information right below this video. And make sure you secure your house with a good camera. So let's go into the So let's see what we get inside the box. We get the manual, how to mount it, how to install it. The camera. Here we should get the cable, the mounting piece. We get a charger, the mounting piece, and a pretty long micro USB cable. And here, the screw, mounting screws, if you're going to mount this on the wall or anywhere you want to mount it. That's pretty simple to mount. If you look at the back, we just put it this way. Imagine this is on the wall. What we do is we rotate this to the side and automatic locks. So the micro USB, where you put your charge here, reset switch, the speaker, this is the band, not the speaker. Then the memory will be right at the bottom. We move this, we can put the micro SD right over here, and this, like I said before, this is the light. So let's plug it in and start working with the camera. So soon you start, it resets. See, it's blinking red. And you stop and go back to the from. It keeps rotating. So now we need to hit the camera. This keeps rotating and it's blinking. It goes up and down and that stays there. So let's remove the film. Yeah, do not get confused and try to remove here. It's right in the middle, so we took the film out. And now let's sync the camera for the first time. Let's install the application. A simple way to do it, we look in the back of the box. We have the RQ code. So grab your phone, Android, Apple phone, iOS phone. So we got the scanner. This is an Android phone. So we got the scanner. We scan right there and it gives me a link. Oh, let's open the browser. And right away, let's do it. Right away, send me to the page. Automatically detect what I have here. So let's do it because I just press cancel. And let me download the application. So we go download. We go open. So right there. Now remember, in your iOS will be different. Installation. This is done. We open the application now. We get a welcome screen. And automatically take I'm in USA. And now we need to create an account. So what we're going to do, we're going to sign up. In this case, ask me for my email address. Then after you put your email address, the next question is your password. Okay, so we're done. We click next. And now we're going to log in. Let's click OK. So what we need to do, we need also to confirm the email. So we got 75 seconds. So I'm going to go to my email and confirm. So we confirm. So yeah, they click the link. So let's log in now. So after we click again, we get the agree. And we're in. So my next step is detect the device. All right, so first thing we're going to do is scan for the device. Here, different models. So we're going to choose the model we have. That's the one. Next, we agree. We click next. We allow, you have to always allow the location of this device and has to know the location. Now, very important, all these devices, any smart device, they use a 2.4 network. As you see here, it says 5 not supported. So make sure your router is safe for 2.4. All the routers today that dual band 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So make sure you set the 2.4 and you know the parser tool again. So we're going to do now, we're going to switch and I'm going to choose my 2.4 network. We're going to enter the password and then we connect. And I'm connected already. Now I'm going to go back to the application. Nope. So now let's do it again. Let's agree. And now they detected. I'm fine. It says here again, but now I'm going to have to enter the password again because I already switched my phone to 2.4. If you have a data connection, turn the data of connection at least when you set this up. One is already set. You can switch back your phone. You can turn on the data and then switch it back to 5 gigahertz. But for now, we leave it 2.4. So now we're going to enter the password of your network. We click next. And now we're going to put the camera. So we're going to set this way. And let's wait. That's it. They detect it. It starts blinking there. So we hear the beep beep. We click next.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
See?
Camera is trying to connect to the server.
It's very simple. I love it. It's very simple to do it. That's
Please
it.
wait for the camera online.
So now, if you got another one, if you want to use the own service for recording the cloud service, you can keep going there, but we're not going to do that right now. And now we set. There's a bedroom, living room, in office, in entries, whatever you want to set. This will be my office. You can change the name and start the camera. That's me right now. So we're going to click and log in into the camera. And if you see here, you see part of the studio. Now, the nice thing too, I'm going to move the camera. So pay attention to the camera. And I'm going to be rotating the camera. Do you see? You see right there? I'm going to move around. I can move up, come down. So if you see, you can set the camera any way you want it. Just by moving here, you can rotate. Let me come this way. Just got to figure out how things go. Let me see. All right, so as you see, you can play around with this. You can move this anywhere in. Also, you can move that. Pay attention. That's actually much easy to move here. Check this out. You see what I did there? By moving this, around the screen. Let's see, let's go down. So here we have the configuration right by the wheel. The main screen, what we can do is full the screen. We can take a picture by clicking there. So activates the camera and it stores right in my phone. We can work with a pen. We see here, we can control the camera, playback. We can also move the camera with my finger around the main screen. We can check the band. We can change the resolution. We can turn on the mic, the speaker. We can turn on and off. If we click more, we have recording. So now it records in my phone. So if you see anything, you want to make sure you have a backup. You start recording right away. One, the phone send you a message, or you have the cloud service.